Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Dreamy effect to your video on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to add Dreamy effect to this video. If we want to do that, first thing first, we can go to the filter option, click on this filter option, and then go to the effect option. In this effect, you can select the stylized category. You can scroll all the way to the right around here, and then you can find the stylized category. That's one. Then you have to choose the dream effect. Since we want to apply the dream effect to our video, just click on this dream effect, and then you can customize how dreamy you want it to be. And I'm just going to make it super dreamy like this. Then once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and then you can make this effect align with your video, and click on this check mark again, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply Dreamy effect to our video in InShot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.